Held at Le Cordon Bleu Dusit Culinary School in Bangkok, chefs, insect experts and product owners, EU delegates and interested members of the public were in attendance. Top chefs provided a masterclass in cooking insects. Delicious dishes, ranging from bamboo worm with chocolate mousse to savoury crickets on watermelon, were enjoyed by all.
I'm Stephanie, I'm from the Philippines. It didn't feel like anything I haven't tried, it just felt like very normal food, so it's really nice how they incorporate the insects very well. I just couldn't really taste any insects. Well, I think that in the long run, there's only so many natural resources that you can use in the planet, and meat consumption in itself uses up a lot of energy and time and effort. So if we are able to find other ways to sort of make other resources a lot more helpful for everyone else, I think that's a great idea. Why shouldn't we be doing that?
Experts provided insight into why edible insects are rightly the food of the past and the food of the future.
In Thailand, it's quite common. We can find the insect products everywhere in Thailand, but in terms of the industry, it is the I think it's beginning of the insect industry in Thailand. We can find increasing number of the farm of the insect everywhere in Thailand. So we can, I think, by the climate and geography of Thailand, we can develop the product from the insect very efficiently.
Edible insects are a major sustainable food option of the future. World population is growing at a rapid rate, and insects will provide an effective and tasty alternative source of protein to beef.
Yeah, mainly in Thailand and their neighborhood. It takes about 30 years for Western to eat sashimi.
Yeah,
but I think
that's right.
within 15 years or maybe 10 years, for insect, it will be faster.
Actually, I love to eat insects. This is a good opportunity for Thailand.
Crickets are a great example of an insect already widely available for consumption. They require 1,000 times less feed and water than cattle, and convert food into protein in a much more effective way, producing very little greenhouse emissions.
The edible insect industry is developing quickly in the Western world. There are already protein bars and shakes, cricket pasta, and dried insect snacks on the market. Curiosity towards this food in the USA and Europe has resulted in many startups wanting to bring this superfood to the masses.